She left me. She left me alone.
The last visit, we'll never come here.
Patrode, I will show you.
The tree was there to recreate the photo, Danya.
The tree was there. The tree was there.
Get ready with us to go to a spot in Manipal. Please watch the video till the end because you are going to see some of the pictures of me and Dhanya from the year of 2021 20. First, we are going to use makeup base. Concealer. This is from Mars. You should always use your own hands for eating and for the makeup. I do that. Even you can do that. Pixie blush. Danya, we are supposed to go at 5:30. I am very punctual. Give me just like 6 minutes. 6 minutes only. I look today very simple with only 2 makeup products because I'm just going to a nearby spot with my best friend. Why do you have to always stop? I'm doing vlog. I don't know why is this girl behind me. What are you doing? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟಲ್ಲ the place where we are going has water and ನಿಮ್ದು eyeliner ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಗಿದ್ರೆ full ದೆವ್ವ ಆಗ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. This is waterproof. Outside view is something like this. It's very beautiful, very calm.
I was posing until my friend got ready and there was a good natural sunlight coming inside the room, so why not take some pictures? Pose, pose, pose.
We got ready and now we will take you to the spot. ಹೌದು ನನಗೆ I don't want fashion to be uncomfortable. It's okay. ಬೇಡ ಇದೇ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ.
ಚೂರು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೇಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಮೇಕಪ್ ಎಂತ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದು ಮುಸುಂಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. So this was the area where we stayed during our undergraduation for almost 6 years, and I feel nostalgia. Danya, please drive slowly. There are a lot of potholes. Why the scooty is shaking?
Shaking ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry.
Okay, Danya.
Don't shake.
This is the view.
The road ಉಂಟ.
ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದು ನೋಡ್ತೆ ನಾನು.
Can you hold my hand? We'll go to Chai and Sutta as your spot, but we go to waterfalls.
I left me alone. I felt something in my leg. I remember taking bath here at this point.
Danya was so far, she left me. She left me alone. Danya has come with full speed. Now she's scared to go down. Danya, it's okay. You can go down. This is our spot in Manipal. Please don't come here and spoil it. And Danya is taking us some way because Danya is like the jungle woman. If the gate is closed, we open the gate and go. Don't you think, Danya, this is a little bit dangerous?
Yeah. I want to exit.
There is no exit, so we are going back. See, this is a very simple way. But then, Danya had to use her brains and we came somewhere else. We finally got our way back to the vehicle where we parked. Anyways, I told Danya to recreate our photo back when we took in 2022, but she was not interested to recreate the photo because she was way too shy now. Danya has done her MD.
Pharmacology and Materia Medica.
Okay, do whatever it is.
So this is the leaf they use.
Can you
to
be
make
little loud?
appam,
People are
you know,
literally.
breakfast.
I don't
They
have a
make that
mic.
breakfast item using ನಿಂಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು
Patrode. This is called patrode.
ಪತ್ರೊಡೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸೊ ಬೊಟಾನಿಕಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಕರಿಂಗಾ ಪೆಲ್ಟೇಟಾ ವೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೆಲ್ಟೇಟಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ peltate leaves where the stalk directly attaches to the like this part see not from this base ಅಷ್ಟೇ okay bye
Patrode, I will show you. Not. This was our regular spot visit in Manipal. We always come here, but this is the last visit. We'll never come here because we are bored of this place, and now we are looking for some other new place. Danya, just for the vlog, can you fall from here? Danya was not ready to recreate the video. ಅದು ಅದೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ತುಂಬಾ
recreate ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ that I need that tree and I don't want to
The
get
tree was there to recreate the photo, Danya. The tree was there. The tree was there. You just had to do like this, and I had to do like this. But you were not
okay
ready.
here
Let's drink chai in embassy. So Danya is going back to the room to get her phone because she has forgotten her phone, and now she cannot survive without phone for even for 20 minutes. Now we are on our way to drink chai, and sky is so beautiful. Look at the sky. The weather is also so good, but then it is only humid, and Danya is wearing a very gigantic helmet. So if I fall, I'll be dying. This is my campus. I did my masters here. And these are the dogs. And Danya, please be careful. Oh, this is so calm. The reason I don't never want to leave Manipal is because of this calmness. And Danya has bought me. Danya, hope the chai is very good here.
I know
Danya,
coffee
no, Danya is telling people how shouldn't drink coffee while running. Coffee is the most important part. Coffee is the most important thing for a runner. And she's a dancer. Red Bull kudidu dance ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The chai should be drunk with this sound. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. Let's go. Let's go because the water is falling inside this chai. Okay. We are back home. Life nahi hai बहन जी. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, please.